Hey guys, it's Brian and welcome to another Tuesday Titan video. Today I'm doing a review on this. This is a voltage reader for your car or truck that plugs into the cigarette lighter and also includes two USB charging ports as well. This way you can keep eye on if your alternator is charging your battery and what your voltage is at, and it's a hell of a lot better than that little gauge that you have on your dashboard. Let me show you up close what this is about, and if you like it, there's a link down below where you can buy one yourself. Let's get into this. All right, guys, we're in my 2008 Nissan Armada LE, and you know, the gauge up here for a battery, I know 18, like I'm a guy that likes numbers, and I like to know precisely what those numbers are. That's why I picked up this little device. All right, this is that little device I picked up for about 20 bucks. You simply plug it into your cigarette lighter here, and a digital display will come on. Let me get you in close. So right now with my truck off, the battery shows 12.6, 12.5. That's pretty much on the money for what we need. Let's start it up and let's see. There we go. Now it's charging. That alternator's going at 14 volts. That's what we like to see. Okay, it came down there. Now I know a lot better that I'm at 14 volts right now while the engine's running versus that. Like is that 14? Is 12 in the middle? But that, how do you 8 and 18? That's divided by that. It's like, no, give me that where I can see exactly what my voltage is at all times. Plus, I can charge the old iPhone up, plug this in, other way. Now I can plug my phone in as well, and there's two of those. They also have USB-C ports as well if you have one of those phones. So for 20 bucks, guys, I like this product. All right, guys, that will wrap up another one of our Tuesday Titan Minute videos. Check this out. There's a link down below if you want to get yourself one. I'm going to buy one for all the vehicles here in our house, just so I have an idea of what my alternator is doing at all times and what that battery looks like when I go to start it. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you next Tuesday for another Tuesday Titan video.